Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today we are discussing about business letters and the parts of business letter. What is business letter? It is basically a letter which is used to communicate between two parties. These letters are written to discuss business, apply for services, make requests, file and register complaints. Mean your business letter may be a complaint letter, adjustment letter, or any other. The letters are short and to the point. These letters should be like that. They are to the point and should be short, very brief. Mean in your very brief way you have to discuss your problem and after that request for solution or any other matter. A letter is composed of various elements. These are 9 essential parts. Mean a letter having 9 essential parts. So let's have a look of these essential parts. First one, the heading, then date line, inside address, subject which is optional, then salutation, body, concluding line, after that complimentary closure, and after that signature. Okay, what is the heading? Heading is basically the word heading. Here shows the writer's address. Mean it is on the top of the page and it consists that the writer's address shows where the letter comes from, consists of designation of sender, and in your address of writer you have to include the name of organization, building numbers, street or area, state or town, pin code, and name of country. Means in the address of writer you have to include these ones. Okay, next is salutation. Salutation is basically to say the salute, like greeting to the recipient of the letter. It always or usually begins with the word dear. It is salutation. After that there is a date line. Date mean and then line mean this line contains the date. At the date on which the writer is about to write the letter to the recipient, that the date basically. Succeeding the space after the return address comes the date on which the letter is written or sent. One may opt any format of the two stated below to record the date in the letter. Like 24th August 2020 लिख दें या फिर August 24th 2020 लिख दें. These both are the correct ways to write the date line. You should have to opt one out of it. Means in heading you have to write the writer's address. In inside address you have to write the receiver's address, mean to whom the letter is being sent. It is placed after the date in formal letters. Mean firstly heading, then salutation, then there is a date line, after that inside address which is basically a receiver's address, and this receiver's address contains receiver's designation, name of organization, building number, state or town, and after that country name. After that subject, mean I say it is optional. Mean in subjects which is determine the purpose of writing in brief. It helps the recipient to deal successfully with the aim of your letter, and it should be clear, concise, not more than 10 words. Okay, salutation, it is a greeting to the recipient of the letter. It varies depending upon the relationship between the sender and the receiver. It usually begins with the word dear. What is the body? It is basically main and important part of the letter. Designation of it is basically the body in which you shouldn't to mention too lengthy. It should also be brief and very to the point words, because it is very important and the recipient is about to consider it. If it is very brief and to the point, then receivers or recipient will like it. It is the most important part. It is destination of your journey. It includes the message the sender wants to convey. It is basically the part of the letter in which you have to convey your message to the receiver. This body contains the 3 subparts. First one is introductory paragraph, then middle paragraph, after that concluding paragraph. In introductory paragraph you have to introduce your problem. In middle paragraph you if you are want to adjust something, then you in the middle paragraph you explain your problem. After that, including whatever you want about your adjustment, and after that it's a concluding paragraph. It's all about the body. After that concluding line, mean after the body there is at the end there is the concluding line, which determines the writer's relation with the addressee. Okay. Complementary clause. Compliments containing mean it is a polite way to end your letter with respect. Formal letter starting with dear sir or dear madam must end with your faithfully, while the letter starting with the sir madam mean it must be end with you sincerely. Mean it's the complimentary clause. At the end and most or at the most time, this part should be present because it the signatures are the part of the letter which increase the authenticity. So signatures should be or must be applied, or it should be in concern. All letters, whether typed or handwriting, must be signed by the writer or sender. Signature makes the letter authentic. It is the last part of the letter where the sender signs off with his or her first and last name. Okay, physical appearance of business letter. What is it? Physical appearance. It means that whenever you are sending a letter to an organization, then there is a deep concern with the appearance. Mean they can judge your organization by the letter also, because you shouldn't use very cheap quality paper or it's not good way. You should choose very good quality paper. After that, color of paper, composing, margin, folding, cover, it's a way to send a letter very nicely. Okay, different forms of styles of letters. There are many styles of letter: full block letters, block style, semi block style, indented style, and then after that simplified style, it and hanging indentation style. These are the styles which you have to opt, but mostly full block letters are it is the style which is opt in formal letters. That's all about for today. Thanks. Yes, thanks for your attention.